Yo, what's up everybody? It's your name back again with another video. This time we're diving deep into the world of Amazon gadgets. From coffee lovers to home chefs, we've got something for everyone in this lineup. So, whether you're here for the cool factor or in the market for new gear, sit back, relax, and get ready to upgrade your life. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the coolest and most useful gadgets from Amazon. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's kick things off with something for all my fellow caffeine addicts out there. The Ember Mug 2 is here to save the day. This isn't just your average mug, people. This right here is a temperature-controlled masterpiece. No more rushing to finish your coffee before it gets cold, no more reheating it in the microwave and ruining the flavor. With the Ember Mug 2, you can savor every sip at your own pace, just the way you like it. The Ember app takes things to a whole new level. You can set your desired temperature to the exact degree. Plus, it's got this sleek, minimalist design that just looks good on any countertop. Trust me, the Ember Mug 2 is a game changer for any coffee lover out there. Now, for all you baking enthusiasts and culinary masterminds out there, let's talk about a kitchen staple, the KitchenAid Artisan Series stand mixer. This thing is an absolute workhorse in the kitchen, and it's not hard to see why it's become a cult favorite. We're talking about a powerful motor that can handle even the toughest doughs, 10 speeds that give you ultimate control over your mixing. The KitchenAid Artisan Series stand mixer is a statement piece with its timeless, iconic design, and with so many stunning colors to choose from, you can find the perfect one to match your personal style. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this mixer is an investment that will last you a lifetime. The KitchenAid Artisan Series stand mixer makes those culinary dreams a reality. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about taking your coffee game to the next level with the Breville Barista Express espresso machine. This isn't just any espresso machine, this is the key to unlocking a world of cafe-quality coffee from the comfort of your own kitchen. The Breville Barista Express is designed for coffee lovers of all levels. It's got this intuitive interface that makes it super easy to use, and the built-in grinder means you're starting with fresh, perfectly ground beans every single time. You can adjust the grind size, the water temperature, and even the milk frothing to create your perfect cup of coffee. Whether you're craving a latte, a cappuccino, or a straight-up espresso shot, this machine can handle it all. Plus, it's got that sleek stainless steel design that just screams professional barista. Trust me, once you experience the convenience and the quality of homemade espresso with the Breville Barista Express, you'll never go back. Alright guys, there you have it. 3 amazing gadgets that can seriously upgrade your everyday routine. We've got the Ember Mug 2 keeping your coffee perfectly hot, the KitchenAid Artisan Series stand mixer making baking a breeze, and the Breville Barista Express, turning you into an at-home barista. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift, you can't go wrong with any of these awesome finds. And the best part? You can order them all on Amazon with just a few clicks. While you're down there, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome gadget reviews and tech recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.